What did you say, tomorrow? But what time are you leaving? Because I don't get off work until 3 o'clock. Chris! Get the fucking camera out of my fucking face. I'm gonna punch you in the head. Eric,
Eric, I love you!
Are you videoing?
Oh, hello.
It's Ashley picture.
Brittany! Hello!
I'm the only sober one.
My face!
Take a picture.
I did.
Let's see.
Hold on.
Brittany.
Woo, hello, there's Kelly with her lovely
Get out of my face.
She's coming under the ceiling from back. Wait. Hello. Okay.
Take a picture.
Okay, in a minute, okay, in a minute.
I need
Danny, hello, monsieur.
Danny.
Brittany.
I'm guessing
Hello,
you're
there's the one who keeps laughing. How are you today?
it's funny.
You are drunk and I like it. Hello, Sarah. How are you? Oh, he's gorgeous as usual.
Oh, thank you for stuff. So drunk right now. I see like 3 of you.
3 of me?
There's one there and there's one there.
I wish I had 3 of me. I wish I had 3 triplets.
You could be like, you go to work, you go get stoned, and you do something else. I don't know. Leave my room.
I
Can I stand straight? Like, is this straight? Or am I drunk?
I think you're a little bit drunk and I like it.
A little bit?
A little bit. A little bit. A lot. I love a hug.
Oh my god.
Woo.
I stepped in something wet.
You stepped in something wet, madame? That's never good. Oh. If you love the reality, you are Jenna Meisner. Jenna! Smile, madame. Smile.
Where's my cell phone?
Pat!
Hey, wait.
Pat, hello! Hello, Pat. Oh, Pat doesn't want to see the camera. Hello! Hello, everyone! Hello! Oh my gosh! Hello! What is that?
I honestly need to find my cell phone.
2 drunken kids in a pool of danger. Okay.